Very good morning to all of you. My name is Sunil Kumar Mishra and you are watching my channel Surcam. Today I am going to start class 9 chapter 1 Matters in our surroundings. In this, today we have to read states of matter. So there are 5 states of matter which are following. First, solid state. Second, liquid state. Third, gaseous state. Fourth, plasma. And fifth, Bose-Einstein condensation. In this chapter we have to read first 3 states of matter. It means solid state, liquid state and a gaseous state. Let us we have to start one by one. So first we have to discuss about the solid states. So solids are the substance, okay, whose shape is fixed. Shape is fixed. Along with the shape, its volume is also fixed. Volume is fixed, and it is having distinct boundary. Means fixed boundary. Any solid. Suppose that this pen, this marker, its boundary it is fixed. We cannot change its boundary. We cannot change its shape. We cannot change its volume. This whiteboard, it's the same volume, it is fixed. Okay, so it is having definite shape, definite volume, definite boundaries. Okay, it is rigid and hard. It is rigid and hard. It is easily we cannot break it. Okay, so let us try to start the properties of solid in detail. Properties of solid. Properties of solid. So first point, the shape of solid is fixed. Shape of solid is fixed. Shape of solid is fixed. Why it is fixed? In any solid, suppose in this marker pen, the particles of the marker are tightly held together. Means in this marker, all the particles in the solid, in any of the solid, its particles are closely packed or tightly packed by the strong intermolecular process of attraction. There is a very least space among the particles of solid. It is very close to each other. The particles of solid is very close to each other. Due to this reason, okay, it cannot move from one place to another place. Just it can vibrate in its position. Just it can vibrate in its position by the vibratory motion. So due to means what is the force of attraction which is present among the particles of solids, that is known as what? Intermolecular forces of attraction or interparticle forces. So due to the strong intermolecular forces of attraction, the particles of solid they come close to each other, and there is a very least space among the particles of solid so that it can vibrate in its position and it cannot leave its place. Due to this reason, what the shape of solid it is fixed. Second point, the solids have fixed volume. Solids have fixed volume. Solids have fixed volume. Fixed volume. Okay. So volume, what do you mean by volume? The space occupied by any substance. The space occupied by any substance. Any substance. It is known as its a volume. Okay. So the space of any solid substance, suppose if we will talk about the pen, marker, whiteboard, wall, anything, books, copy, okay, all are examples of solids. Okay, so its volume it is fixed, means length, breadth, and its height. It will remain fixed. Okay, so that its volume it is fixed. Third point, solids have higher density. Solids have higher density. Solids have higher density. Higher densities. What do you mean by densities? Density, its formula is mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume means in a small volume, the particles of solid, the number of particles of solid it is maximum. Okay, in a small volume, the number of solid particles it is maximum. Large number of particles it occupied in a small volume. So due to this reason, what the mass of solid it is large as compared to its volume. So that we can say that the density of solid it is higher. Next point is the solid have strong intermolecular forces of attraction. Solids have strong intermolecular forces of attraction. Intermolecular forces. Solids have strong intermolecular forces. All the solids particles, already I have told that initially that all the solid particles it is because of the intermolecular forces, means the attraction forces among the particles, that is known as intermolecular forces. The attraction forces among the particles, it is known as intermolecular forces. So all the solid particles, because of having strong intermolecular forces, they are tightly held. They are very close to each other. And the space, intermolecular space, means the space which is present between the particles or among the particles, it is very least. This is known as what? Intermolecular spaces. So intermolecular spaces or interparticle spaces, it is very less in case of solid. Okay, so all the solids, so that we can say that, and due to this reason it cannot be compressed, or it can be compressed very least. It can be compressed very least. But in case of sponge, which is also example of solid, it can be compressed in a large extent. That's why, because the air trapped between the holes of the sponge. Okay, the air trapped between the holes of sponge, it can be trapped. When we press it, so the trapped air, okay, which is present in the sponge, okay, it is expelled out. So due to this reason, it can be compressed. Otherwise, the remaining solid it cannot be compressed easily. That's why, because of the high intermolecular forces of attraction and the least interparticular particle species. Next point, that is rigidity. Next point is rigidity. Fifth point, rigidity. All the solids are hard and strong. They can move in their spaces. They can move because of the strong intermolecular forces of attraction. There is a very least spaces or no spaces among the particles of solid. Okay, if there is no spaces, so how they can move? Okay, so just they can vibrate. They can vibrate in their position. So that what we can say, it is rigid and hard. It is very difficult to compress, and rigid and hard, they remain in their own position. And next and this is what the particles, for the movement of particles the energy which is necessary, that is known as kinetic energy, or you can say that the energy possessed by the particles due to its motion. The energy possessed by the particles possessed the energy possessed by the particles due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. And the kinetic energy of all the solid, it is least, very less. Why? There is a no space for the movement of particles. Only it is having vibratory motion. Means only it can move in its own place. Next and the last point, that is diffusion. Okay. Next and the last point, that is diffusion. Diffusion. The mixing of two substances. Intermixing of two substances, that is known as what? Diffusion. So solids, it is having very least diffusion. Okay. But in some cases, why it is having least diffusion? Because the particles, they are unable to move from their places. So how they will diffuse, how they will intermix to each other? The solid particles, it is rigid. Okay, intermolecular forces of attraction, it is high, very high. So that how can they move from their places? Okay, and it is very difficult to diffuse each other, two solid particles, two solids. But in case of some example, suppose if we are writing in a blackboard by the chalk, and we without cleaning it, okay, it is remaining for a long time, 15 to 20 days. So the chalk particles will diffuse on the blackboard. Okay, that is why that is the example of diffusion of solid in solid. So all are in the first point what I have told, shape of solid is fixed. Okay, but in case of rubber band, okay, in case of sugar or salt particles, its shape is changeable. So how can we categorize it as a solid? Yes, we can. How? Because in case of rubber band, okay, by applying force, its shape it is changed. But when we remove the force, then it remains in its own shape. So that it is an example of solid. Okay, in case of sugar or salt particles, it is a crystal. Okay, it's a particle, it is example of solid. So its shape and volume it is fixed, sugar or salt particle. So that it is also categorized into solid. So these are the points or properties of solids. Let us move the properties of liquid. Properties of liquid. Liquid state. Liquid state. Liquid generally it is having fluid nature. Its shape is not fixed, but volume is fixed. Shape is not fixed. Shape is not fixed. Not fixed, but volume is fixed. Volume is fixed. Okay, volume is fixed. Okay, it do not have rigid property. It can flow, it can move. The particles it can move. Okay, when we keep it in any container, okay, when any liquid, when we keep it in, when we put it in any object, so it takes the shape of that container. Okay, means fluidity, it is having the fluidity property. Okay, so let us, we have to study the properties of liquid. Properties of liquid. Properties of liquid. First, shape is not fixed. Shape is not fixed means it can take the shape of the container where we keep it. Okay, shape of liquid is not fixed. That's why, because it's a particles, means what you can say that the intermolecular forces of attraction among the particles of liquid as compared to solid, it is less. Okay, so that it can move. Okay, there is a more species. There is a more species among the particles of liquid. Suppose that in this way, there is a more species among the particles of liquid, so that it can move. Okay, but it cannot leave its place. It can move, but it cannot leave its place. So that its shape, it is not fixed. Okay, but in case of its volume, it is fixed. Second point, volume is fixed. That's why volume is fixed. Okay, suppose 1 liter of water, when we kept it as in any bottle, okay, in any bottle flask or in any jug or in any of the container, so it will take the shape of that container. Means 1 liter of water, it will remain 1 liter. Okay, 1 liter of water, it will remain 1 liter always where we keep it. Okay, either its shape it will change, but its volume it will remain same. Okay, it will neither 2 liter, 3 liter or etc. It will remain always 1 liter. Okay, so that its volume it will be fixed. Next property of liquid, that is fluidity. Next is fluidity. Fluidity. The capability of flow of liquid. Okay, the capability of flow of liquid, that is known as what? Fluidity. Means it can move from its place. That's why, because of presence of more intermolecular species and less interparticle or intermolecular attraction force. Okay, so suppose when we spill, okay, a drop of water, or when we spill a liter of water on the floor, okay, so it will take the shape of floor. Everywhere it will be distributed, the particles of liquid. Okay, so that is known as what? Fluidity. Next point, solids, the intermolecular forces of attraction in liquid, it is moderate. Intermolecular forces of attraction in a liquid is moderate. It means, okay, neither high nor low. Okay, means it is between the solid and the gaseous state. Intermolecular forces of attraction. Due to these intermolecular forces of attraction, it is moderate, so that it can be compressed. Means it can be more compressed as compared to, much more compressed as compared to solid. Okay. Next and the last point, that is diffusion. Okay, intermixing of particles to each other. So the liquids, it can diffuse easily. Okay, liquid, it can diffuse easily. Means suppose that what, when we are making the solution of lemon and water, Okay, sugar, so it can diffuse easily when we dissolve alcohol. Okay, alcohol, which is a liquid, alcohol plus water, so it can make a solution of alcoholic solution. It can dissolve, it can diffuse the particles of alcohol and water, they can diffuse with each other. Means what we can say that it means that diffusion means there is a space among the particles of water, so that in the particles of water, suppose that this is the particles of water. Okay, the black dot, it is the particles of water. Okay, black dot, it is particles of water. So suppose if we are adding the alcohol in the water, so that the it will take the shape of, means space of, empty space of water, empty space of the container, means in some of the places the alcohol it may be present, in some of the places what water it may present. Okay, getting? So that it is what means there is a space, there is a space among the particles of water, so that the alcohol it trapped, okay, or it occupied in the intermolecular spaces. That is known as what? Diffusion. Okay, so these are the properties of liquid state.